I believe this game has a very large potential to do great because of the way the game and everything inside is so coordinated. You can see, if you're new to this game, go ahead and check the link in the description to join this game right now. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this is going to be the Musk Empire daily combo. So the first thing we need to do is to actually claim our riddle of the day and also the daily bonus, so we can be able to stake more in our investment fund. Click on claim, and then for the very first thing you need to do is to go to the quest section. Here I'm going to tell you guys about the riddle of the day, which is going to be this one. You can earn 40,000, and you can also come here and just claim a daily reward. After claiming this, then you can go straight into the daily combo, which is the investment funds. So go ahead and just click on this and just claim your coin. So we've got 500k, and then go ahead and guess the riddle of the day. I'm going to tell you the answer right now. The answer to this is going to be called leadership. So when you just type in leadership, go ahead and just check your answer. And now we got additional 40,000. Click on claim. After claiming that, now we have to go to the most important thing in this game. Click on the most important thing, which is going to be the daily combo, the investment fund. Click on city, and then click over here that says stock exchange. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you here, and now just follow exactly the 3 cards I'm going to be selecting. The first card on our list is going to be this one here. Click on it, and I'm going to up my price to 140k because I want more income, and I'm just going to I'll be lucky. So let's check it. Now you see they give it to me. I'm a cool investor. Okay, so then the next one I'm going to go get is going to be this one, real estate in Nigeria. Click on it and increase your budget to the highest, and go ahead and just check it out. You can see we got it. Okay, then the final card on our list is going to be game development. Click on it, and we should actually increase our investments, and then click on I'll get it. I'm a cool investor. When you scroll all the way up right now, you can see that we got heavy positive investment on these 3 cards, and we'll be earning massively from this after today's own. Tomorrow we'll come back to claim and we'll get more. You can see right now I got 2 million. You can see I have the money I have right here is like 2 million. Close this up. Nope, let me just close that up. And if you want to actually keep leveling up, go over to here that says improve, and just use your money to keep buying all these upgrades. You know, the more you buy a more expensive one, the higher you will level up faster. Let's go look for the ones that are kind of expensive. 31k, purchase that. You see 49k. If you want to keep leveling up very fast, this is just how to do it. Just spend your money on a pass that is very expensive, and you just keep leveling up. I don't know if you guys want to actually just be here with me and just level up on our Musk Empire since we just started on this. I believe this game has a very large potential to do great because of the way the game and everything inside is so coordinated. You can see, if you're new to this game, go ahead and check the link in the description to join this game right now. I have my link in the description there to join this game right now, and you can also come here every day for me to guide you guys on the daily combo, the investment fund, the riddle of the day. Okay, see you guys in the next video, and have a wonderful day. Peace out. But it's going to be very nice seeing if I actually say peace out while I actually go to the next level. I think I'm just going to go ahead and just purchase the control, and this should get us to level okay, I'm going to just purchase this one more time, and we should actually be in level 6 in no time from now. Okay, I think just one more buy should get us there. All right, so once we just do this final and last one, we should actually get to that point of, you know, getting to the level 6. Yes, this is what I'm looking for, guys. We got to level 6. I'm good. Okay, so this is how to just level up, guys. Just keep doing that. Keep doing it, and come over to your quest and complete your quest. You can watch your YouTube videos. Okay, you can do a lot of things here, guys, to get more coins. I'll be bringing it to you guys here. Turn on post notification for this YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one, and peace out.